Yeah, mama leaving now. What's up with all that mess you was talking? Come on, fight me now, kitty. Hold up, is she coming back? Oh, she ain't coming back. Oh, hell, your tail on fire, bro. Hey, y'all got a fire extinguisher back there? This kitty tail on fire, man. Hey, bro, you don't feel that? Bro, you don't feel your tail on fire? You just gonna look at it like we watching television. Like everything normal, man. We need to call 911 for this tail, bro. You know what? Let me check it out. Hold up. Oh, yeah, bro, they gonna have to amputate that.